Yep.
Yeah, he's on. Oh, it's a nice one too. Here we go.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Stay down there.
Okay, I'm going to spot lock.
Okay.
Is it a barra? I saw a tail. It looked like a barra.
Yeah.
Nice and gentle. Oh, that's a good barra. Nice and gentle. That's a nice one, mate.
Yeah. I might break me PB.
Nah.
No, it won't be.
Nah.
Yeah.
It's a keeper though.
Yeah, it is there.
Oh, mate.
I'll tell you what.
That's an oceanic.
It is. Really looking lovely.
Nah. What do you reckon? 68 or 69?
I got 69 the other day. I reckon he's
A little bit bigger?
70.
70?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll find out in a second. We'll be back.